Let's be real for a second. We used to buy a car expecting it to last 200,000 miles with just oil changes. But in 2026, that feels like a pipe dream. We're currently staring at a massive automotive meltdown. Over 1 million engine failures have already been reported this year alone. And if you're driving a modern truck or SUV, you might be sitting on a ticking time bomb. From the legendary reliability of Toyota being questioned to GM's V8s literally eating themselves, the 2026 engine crisis isn't just a headline, it's a reality for millions of Americans. Today, we're breaking down which engines are failing, why it's happening, and most importantly, how you can avoid a $15,000 repair bill. According to recent NHTSA data and industry reports from early 2026, the recall numbers are staggering. We're seeing a perfect storm of complex tech meeting manufacturing shortcuts. Let's look at the biggest offenders currently clogging up dealership service bays. Toyota's twin-turbo V6 crisis. Even the king of reliability isn't safe. The 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 in the Tundra and Sequoia has seen a massive wave of main bearing failures. We're talking about brand-new trucks seizing on the highway. GM's V8 lifter nightmare. If you drive a Silverado or Sierra with a 5.3-liter or 6.2-liter V8, you know the drill. The dynamic fuel management system is still causing lifters to collapse, often destroying the entire engine before the first 50,000 miles. Ford's EcoBoost and oil consumption. Ford's 2.7-liter and 3.5-liter EcoBoost engines are facing serious heat, literally. Head gasket issues and mysterious oil consumption are leaving owners stranded and frustrated. The small engine problem. It's not just the big guys. Nissan's VC Turbo and Honda's 1.5-liter turbos are still battling oil dilution and turbocharger failures that were supposed to be fixed years ago. So why is the year 2026 the breaking point? It comes down to three things: complexity, heat, and EPA regulations. Manufacturers are being forced to squeeze massive power out of tiny engines to meet fuel economy standards. They're adding turbos, direct injection, and complex cylinder deactivation. This creates insane amounts of heat and pressure. Add to that the long oil change intervals, sometimes up to 10,000 miles, which many mechanics say is a recipe for disaster. In 2026, the tech has officially outpaced the durability. If you own one of these vehicles, don't panic, but do be proactive. Here's the 2026 survival guide. Forget the 10K oil change. Change your oil every 5,000 miles, period. Modern turbos cook oil, and clean oil is the only thing keeping those bearings alive. Check your VIN. Go to the NHTSA website frequently. New recalls are being added weekly as more data comes in from these million-plus failures. Extended warranties. Usually I'd say skip them, but in 2026, if you have a high-tech turbo engine, a reputable extended warranty might be the best investment you ever make. The automotive landscape is changing, and unfortunately, new doesn't always mean better anymore. We're in an era where you have to be your own advocate. Have you experienced an engine failure recently? Or is your 2026 model running like a champ? Drop a comment below. Let's start a conversation and help each other avoid the lemon lot. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe. We're tracking these recalls daily to keep you on the road and out of the shop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.